What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the best smokers on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Masterbuilt 710 Wi-Fi Digital Smoker. The Masterbuilt 710 Wi-Fi Digital Smoker is an exceptional choice for anyone serious about smoking food effortlessly. Its vertical design maximizes space, giving you 711 square inches of cooking area across 4 chrome-coated racks. This means you can smoke multiple types of meat, fish, or vegetables all at once, without worrying about crowding. What makes it stand out is its Wi-Fi digital control, which lets you adjust temperature, monitor cooking time, and manage smoke levels from your smartphone using the Masterbuilt app. Its electric fuel system ensures consistent heat distribution, so your food cooks evenly without the need for constant supervision. You simply plug it in, load your wood chips using the side loader, and let the smoker handle the rest. The side wood chip loader is designed to allow easy reloading without opening the main door, preventing heat and smoke loss. The overall build feels solid and durable, ensuring years of reliable performance. The design also prioritizes convenience, with removable racks for easy cleaning and a spacious interior that can handle large cuts of meat. Whether you are making smoked ribs, turkey, or brisket, this smoker delivers precise results every time. The integration of smart technology and dependable heating makes it perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. Its balance of automation and authentic smoky flavor makes the Masterbuilt 710 Wi-Fi Digital Smoker our top pick for the best smokers list. Number 2. Cuisinart 30-inch Electric Smoker. The Cuisinart 30-inch electric smoker brings simplicity and reliability to home smoking. It offers 3 adjustable racks that can accommodate a surprising amount of food despite its compact size. The large capacity design is ideal for barbecuing meats, briskets, and even seafood like salmon or jerky. Its adjustable temperature control ensures that you can fine-tune heat levels between low and high settings, giving you total control over your smoking sessions. This smoker is designed for ease of use. Simply add water and wood chips into their dedicated trays, set your desired temperature, and let the smoker do the rest. The built-in thermometer helps monitor internal heat, while the insulated cabinet maintains stable temperatures throughout cooking. The electric-powered heating system eliminates the guesswork of charcoal or propane, allowing for consistent smoke and flavor every time. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move around your patio or backyard, while the sturdy construction provides durability for years of outdoor use. Cleanup is also simple. Thanks to removable trays and racks, you can easily wash off any residue after each session. The Cuisinart electric smoker is ideal for anyone looking for a straightforward yet dependable smoker that delivers authentic smoked flavor with minimal effort. If you value consistency, capacity, and ease of use, this model fits perfectly into any backyard cooking setup.
Number 3. Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Smoker. The Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Smoker offers an outstanding combination of precision, performance, and practicality. With 710 square inches of cooking area and multiple chrome racks, it provides enough space to prepare large batches of smoked food at once. Its digital control panel allows you to easily set the temperature and cooking time, ensuring a perfect balance between smoke and heat every single time. One of its most convenient features is the side wood chip loader, which enables you to add wood chips without opening the smoker door. This keeps the internal temperature and smoke level stable, resulting in consistently flavorful dishes. The insulated construction ensures even heat distribution, while the vertical layout makes efficient use of space. It is powered by an electric heating element which delivers steady performance without needing to constantly monitor fuel levels. Whether you are smoking ribs, fish, or poultry, this smoker provides excellent temperature control for rich, smoky flavors. Cleaning is also made easy with removable racks and drip trays. What makes this model appealing is its user-friendly operation. Even if you are new to smoking, the digital settings make it nearly foolproof. The sleek black finish gives it a professional look, while the sturdy build ensures long-lasting use. For anyone looking for an affordable yet capable electric smoker, the Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Smoker stands out as one of the best smokers for everyday cooking.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.